Here are some examples about multiplying polynomials. Problem 1. Find the product 6p minus 8 times p plus 1. So let's start with what we have. Now we need to use the distributive property to separate each of these expressions. Let's start with the left side. This is equal to 6p times p plus 1 minus 8 times p plus 1. Now the left term can be simplified into 6p squared plus 6p, and the right term becomes minus 8p minus 8. There are two terms with just p in it, so we still need to simplify this. And we'll get 6p squared plus 6 minus 8 times p, so minus 2p minus 8, which is just 6p squared minus 2p minus 8. Problem 2. Find the product k plus 4 times k squared minus 3k. Let's write this out. K plus 4 times k squared minus 3k. And this time let's use the rule we know for multiplying binomials. First we multiplied the first terms, which are k times k squared. Next we multiply the outer terms, minus k times 3k. There's a minus sign from the minus 3k. And then the inner terms, plus 4 times k squared. And finally the last terms, which will give us minus 4 times 3k. Now this is equal to k cubed minus 3k squared plus 4k squared minus 12k. There's two terms with k squared which we can combine and get k cubed plus k squared, since minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1, minus 12k. Problem 3. Find the product x squared plus 2x plus 2 times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. First let's write this out. X squared plus 2x plus 2 times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Now using the distributive property, let's split up the left side. So this equals x squared times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 2x times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 2 times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Now we can simplify each of these terms in the same way. So this equals x squared times 3x squared, which is 3x to the 4th, plus x squared times minus 4x, which gives us minus 4x cubed, and then plus x squared times 1, which is x squared, plus 2x times 3x squared, this is 6x cubed, plus 2x times minus 4x, which is minus 8x squared, plus 2x times 1, which is equal to 2x, and finally plus 2 times 3x squared, giving us 6x squared, minus 8x, which is 2 times minus 4x, and plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Now there's still a lot of like terms to simplify here. So let's write this polynomial in descending order to make it easier to look at. We have 3x to the 4th minus 4x cubed, and there's another x cubed term, plus 6x cubed, then plus x squared minus 8x squared plus 6x squared. There's three x squared terms, and then plus 2x minus 8x, and finally plus 2. If we simplify this, we get 3x to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 4 plus 6 equals 2 minus x squared, since 1 plus 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 1, minus 6x, 2 minus 8 is 6, or minus 6, and then plus 2. And that's the final answer.